Hello everyone, this is the best baked coconut chin chin, and it has that look of the fried ones. I'll show you what I did to get this brown texture when in fact it is baked and it is not fried. And did I tell you it has to be flavorful? So let's go make it happen. I did say earlier that this baked coconut chin chin would have a lot of flavors, so I would use lemon zest. When that is done, I'll add lemon juice, vinegar, rum, whatever, and then allow it to extract all the oils and the flavor. Combine in a bowl flour, regular flour, and then whole wheat flour to give it that brown color. In goes the baking powder and the salt. Cinnamon or nutmeg, you could add both if you want to. The cinnamon adds color and flavor. Add the sugar. Add margarine or butter. This baked chin chin is going to be crunchy because I used a quarter cup of margarine, not much, and the wheat flour to makes it crunchier as well. I've got the coconut here, one medium-sized coconut. This way I had a cup and a half of the coconut, put it in a blender to grate it. Once it's grated, I added 1 cup of water for now, and then 1 egg also goes inside. I'll be adding the rest of the water later on. That's the egg. Add in the soaked lemon zest. The flavors are all out. I've made a well in the crumbling mixture. To it, I poured in the coconuts and everything. Mix it together. Start to add the liquid bit by bit. This will need more liquid. With 1/4 cup of water, I rinsed out the bowl and then I'm adding it, and I'll continue mixing. It all depends on the flour you are using. You may use more, you can use less. Well combined, it is a soft dough. The board or surface you're going to use, as I said, it's a soft dough. Just do a little bit of kneading and then roll till it's flat. I'm rolling everything at once, and I'm going to roll it till it's like a 1/4 inch to half an inch thick, depends on what you want. I'm cutting it into strips instead of cutting it into squares. If I cut it into squares, everything will be muddled up together. I'm going to cut the strips into a paper lined baking tray. If you don't have baking paper, you could use the pan like that. Just grease the baking pan. Heat the oven. For these ones, they are thicker, and then I'm cutting it into a different shape. Everything is cut up, ready to be put in the oven. Best baked coconut chin chin is done. You can rub butter or oil on it if you want, but it's already brown because of the wheat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.